So I've been asked to go through some questions on the percentage calculations. So we've got question 5, 6, and 9 from lesson 110. So the first one, the normal price of a pair of jeans was 85 and a sale $15 was taken off. By what percentage were they reduced? So the key thing with all these sorts of questions is that you need to find the equivalent fraction and then take that fraction and turn it into a percentage. So what we have to do is we want to know, first of all, by what they were reduced is the key phrase. So they were reduced by 15. So that's our starting point. 15. And then that $15 is a percentage out of what? And that will tell us what the denominator is. So the denominator is 85. So we end up with 85. What we then do is take that 85, and now we've got our fraction. We have to change it to a percentage by timesing 100. So 15 over 85, we can go 15 divided by 85 times 100 gives us 17.65 to decimal places. 17.65% to DP. So having a look, so the key thing, find that fraction, times it by 100, and then you get it. So the next one, a muesli recipe requires 6 cups of dry ingredients, 1 cup of bran. What percentage of the dry ingredients is the bran? So this one's a little bit complicated in the fact that you've got to work out how much dry ingredients there is, which includes the bran. So maybe a mistake to think that the dry ingredients has to be added to the one. So find the fraction. So it's 1 out of the total dry ingredients, which is 6. And then we times that by 100. So 1/6 times 100 equals 16.67% to DP. So again, find the fraction, times it by 100, and that's the answer. So question 9, Amelia was in Australia. Her bank charged $5 per transaction on an EFTPOS card. Calculate the percentage of the total transaction she paid the bank when she bought a $35 shirt using EFTPOS. The key thing is, what is the smaller part, or what is the bit you're trying to work out, and that's $5. And in fact, it's the same for the second question, $5 as well. What's different is what it's out of. Kind of makes sense that on a smaller item, and it's why it makes sense to only buy big items using EFTPOS when you're in Australia, is that the $5 becomes a bigger percentage in the 35 than in the 200. So that's their answer. And then to change that fraction into a percentage, we times by 100. So you end up with 14.28, sorry, 29, which is percent to DP. And then the 200, it's equal to 2.5% to DP. So you can see in the shirt, it's close to 6 times more as a percentage of the overall price. of the actual retail price. So it does make much more sense to only do FPOS transactions on more expensive items. Hopefully that answers some questions and that you're able to answer the rest of the questions on the page.